Hello, high school students. I wanted to show you briefly what Canvas will look like tomorrow, and I'm happy to meet with you personally to look through your own Canvas when your classes show up. Right now, if you log in, your dashboard, which is where I am right now, will probably look blank, okay? But when you open it up tomorrow, there will be a card like this for each one of your classes. And so what you do is you will click on the class. And I'm working on this class, so we're able to see quite a bit of it. The other classes are not going to be, even though I can see them, they won't show you as much yet. Each class will have an orientation about this course and some basic information from Julian that's on every single class. So you can count on being able to find certain things here, no matter which class you open. Each week or each module is meant to take a week, and so we call it week 1, week 2, week 3, for example, okay? To move around within a class, and this is the title of the class that you're working on, you're going to use this menu right here. So if you want to look at it by module, you do this and it'll show you each week. If you want to look at it by quizzes and just find the newest quiz that you need to do, you would click here. Each class will be different and each teacher will use different aspects of this menu. So you'll just need to learn each class. Okay, so if I go back to the dashboard, I do want to show you returning students something. You might open this up and see this year's classes mixed together with last year's classes. What you really want to do is get rid of the old ones. So you're going to click here on courses, click on all courses, and then I don't need the 11th grade, for example. So I turn off that red star, and when I go back to the dashboard, it's not there anymore. So you can make sure you're only looking at classes that you're taking right now, and that's very convenient. So when you're in the dashboard, this is your menu, okay? The dashboard, or you can switch to courses. There's a calendar, so when things are due, they will populate on that calendar. This is a place for messages. As you can see, I don't read these messages because they're copies of messages that go to my students, but you should pay attention to these messages, and I have never seen anyone use this one before, okay? So that is Canvas in a nutshell. You want to sign on first thing tomorrow, look at each one of your classes and see what's going on. There will probably be some things you need to do by this Friday, okay? So, and then when you're ready to log out, you go here and you can log out. I stay logged in. You could stay logged in all the time, and you can be logged in on your smartphone as well, okay? So let's have a great year. Bye-bye.